Yes, now he has like a boy band, like little. Max, wait. Hi. Open, close. Open, close. He's like, what are you talking about? Okay, you guys, today we are scheduled to do a little like photo day for Instagram, for social media, and Emma and I decided that we're gonna take you guys with us to tell you about the little tricks and things that we do to get some good photos to post. Also, I wanted to say a huge thank you to Google for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. I'm gonna fix this and get pixel ready. Ready. You ready? I think I should open a window.
It's really hot today.
So, before Emma joined the squad, which was only me, I was doing my own photos or asking Nori to take them. I was doing a lot of garage series, and when I travel, sometimes alone,
Oh yes,
I do photos on my own. I'm gonna do a video.
You're very skilled
of that, but I do like to have Emma with me to take some good Instagram photos. And today we're gonna have Emma, who's gonna give like tips on the photography side, and have me to give you tips on
the modeling side.
We're gonna be using my Google Pixel 3a XL, which I've been using for, I would say, the past 2 months. I personally see a big difference when it comes to the quality of the photos, and we're gonna create some magic. Where are we going?
I don't know. Maybe we'll do outfit of the day first.
Yeah, let's do outfit of the day first. It's a really sunny day today, so
We gotta look around for a bit. We never want to take any pictures in the direct sunlight because that's ugly.
yeah, and it gives you dark circles.
It's not fun to edit out.
I prefer to get photos that are like need the most minimal amount of editing, just because I feel like also my like aesthetic on Instagram, it's fun even to call it aesthetic because it's like there's none of the, I like it like really real and not like too
made up.
I really try to focus on like having a good raw image, so I don't have to actually like edit much. I broke this one as well again.
Oh my.
I have to go and get this fixed. I'm gonna get another camera because
Well, we have another one at the office.
yeah, but it's also broken.
Oh, is it?
This is an example of not a good day to take photos outside because, as you can see, there's sun everywhere, and if you take a photo, you get this.
Not great.
Not great.
It's really hard to see.
Okay, glasses. We're going to make it work. Not ideal, although there's shade.
This is actually not bad. Look, there's shadow here, but then there's none here. This way might actually be okay.
Okay, so this is a good area that we can work with because I can stand in the shade. Yeah. And there's like greenery.
Luscious.
And no one knows it's a freaking alley that is yucky for everybody.
On a sunny day like today, we always like to try and find some shady area to work with so you don't have to fight with too much light. The Google Pixel 3a XL has a really cool feature that lets you select what type of lighting you're in, and it adjusts accordingly to what you choose. So here we just selected sunny.
Posing, I have years of experience. I really recommend to first get familiar with what looks best. If you want to make something look longer, you put it closer to the camera. Just keep moving, and I think here is the whole burst action is so amazing with the phone. I'm not worried about storage space because Google Pixel actually has unlimited storage space, so that's amazing. So really give yourself the options of different emotions. I feel like we should do a dance every time we like get it. What's the dance?
Next category is selfie. We're just thinking of where to go for this. We don't want to stay at the same spot
because I like to switch it up on the feed a little bit, and if this picture is gonna be posted next week, I don't know, we have to make sure that they're not all the same.
Where shall we go?
It's very sunny over here.
It is.
There's like underground parking area. It'd probably be shady down there.
Yes. Let's go to the underground parking. People don't realize that you don't need to live in LA to get some good photos, especially if you're not like trying to, I mean, there are accounts that are very background focused,
yeah,
but I feel like if you're an account like me, just do like lifestyle and beauty and stuff, it doesn't have to be so complicated.
The lighting in here is not bad actually.
The lighting is great.
So it's pretty bland. Do you blend in with the background or it's okay?
I do, yeah.
There's another color wall we could go to.
I don't think they like had a designer
down here.
Space. Okay, so this is a good thing to
Example.
remember how sometimes when you wear neutral, it might bite you in the butt. I just know that I don't want any brick.
Okay, I was just gonna say, well, there's a lot of brick over there we can go to. Oh, there's blue. But the lighting, oh, it's okay.
The lighting is fluorescent.
Do you have a setting for that?
Fluorescent.
Is
Yes,
there?
Oh my god.
No way.
Because look, it's not yellow.
Wow. Oh, I thought that was a mural of the CN Tower.
Wow. You are an artist. You see beauty in everything. This is a really like poppin'.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Right? Okay, so there's different settings. So we can do auto. We have cloudy, which will make it yellow.
Right.
We have fluorescent.
Which is what we need for this one.
Yeah, which kind of like really makes everything pop. And then tungsten.
Tungsten.
Tungsten. So fluorescent is obviously the way to go. For the selfie, find your favorite side of the face. This is literally the most important thing you will do for yourself. When you're taking selfies, make sure to avoid shooting from below. It makes your face look rounder, and if you have double chin like I have at times, that really emphasizes it. So you want to avoid that, and you want to shoot from either straight or a little more up, just to give a more bone structure look to your face. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have that. And then
By the way.
what's the by the way?
I want to know why they're all eating on this girl's salad. She's got a salad right in front of her and they're all just pecking at her plate. It's just like...
Find new friends. They're not real ones. Okay, they're happy. Great, that's fine. What is she doing?
Oh, she's shopping. Here, I get it.
Oh, you see, the angle should have been a little more up.
Yeah, look, so your chin's a little big, no offense, but it's a little
No, it's, yeah, the rounder, the face is rounder, yeah. Oh, wow. Thanks, people, for helping us to make a point with this video. You're doing great. Okay, our next mission is to capture a lifestyle shot. So that's something that's very popular with everybody, even if you're not an influencer. If you're just like on social media, you post a lot of like in the moment type of photos in the moment. We see like a lot of people have quite mastered it, I feel.
Yeah,
like, people know what's up, but we just want to show you guys the exact things that you need to look out for when you're out and want to capture that good photo. That way it's hopefully going to minimize the amount of like awkwardness you feel trying to get like a good photo when there's all these people around.
It's so hard getting photos when there's so many people around, especially if you're not that confident like in posing or anything like that. So
yeah,
trying to find a spot that's not too busy.
Have no fear, Valeria and Emma are here. Ta-da-da!
Okay, so there's a lot of people here, so we want to put Valeria in the corner.
No one puts Valeria in the corner except you. Fake laughing is a passé. Don't force yourself to laugh and do more candid shots. Even if you force yourself to laugh at first, it will get you on a roll of being so ridiculous that it will actually make you laugh, and that's when the photos are gonna turn out the best. Also, please make sure your friends are kind and not taking pictures from really weird angles, and just really focus on provoking an emotion. This is lifestyle. People want to see your true, real self and mood. So we've been shooting a lot, but the battery is still going strong. The Google Pixel has up to 30 hours in battery life, and you literally just need to charge it for like 15 minutes and you get 7 hours of battery life. Major goals for content creation.
And then there's like portrait right here, and this will like take it in a little bit and zooms in on Valeria, and then it's gonna like blur the background around her. Wait, oh yeah, see that? That's beautiful.
This is a perfect example of using my hands as an accessory because I felt so awkward just sitting there. So just use it, just make it look very candid and cute and sweet. And oh my god, I didn't even see there was a camera there. We did it. And that's how you get it done with Pixel. I also wanted to share that Google and I also partnered for a really exciting workshop that we're doing at the Google Shops at the Eaton Center in Toronto, and it is all sold out. I think it got sold out in like literally like 10-15 minutes.
Literally so quick. I didn't even sign up yet.
Well, I got you, boo. And we are out.
Should we do the one last one?